I'm Mark Tilley, and welcome to the latest edition of the 16s, where Dirtbike magazine takes you through everything that is brand new on the 2016 250 motocross models. In this episode, we're going to take a look at the 2016 Suzuki RMZ 250. Some of you might be looking at the bike right now and thinking, this bike is the same thing as last year. But underneath, Suzuki has changed almost every aspect of the motorcycle. In the motor alone, there's over 80 changes. Some of these changes include new valves, new cams, a new piston, a new crank, a new flywheel, and all this is fed by a brand new throttle body. The exhaust is new for 2016, featuring a longer head pipe with a muffler that's designed to meet tighter sound requirements. The main frame for 2016 is lighter and has different flex points, and the subframe is completely new for 2016. For 2016, the Suzuki RMZ 250 actually receives the S-Hack system that is a launch control system that has been on the 450 for the last 2 years, and returns with their easy-to-change 3 different EFI couplers. Suzuki also changed the front brake caliper, going to a lighter Nissan caliper. Suspension on the RMZ 250 is brand new this year, with a brand new Kayaba rear shock and new Kayaba air forks in the front. Suzuki's goal for 2016 was to produce a lighter, freer revving RMZ 250. For the full test on the 2016 Suzuki RMZ 250, check out the January issue of Dirtbike magazine, and for the latest happenings in the off-road world, go to dirtbikemagazine.com.